got for you? I got old stuff. For some reason, I turned the camera off. So anyway, what did I pick up? I picked up a Craftsman sander. A very old one. Now you're going to ask me what the hell am I doing with a Craftsman sander? I don't even really like use old sanders. I use sanders very little, but there's one reason why I wanted this, because it's aluminum. I always see these old aluminum body tools, and I think it'd be nice to just, I don't know, take it apart, smooth it all out. I would like to. I just want to polish the whole thing. I don't even care if it works. Actually, see if it does work. Everybody's always like, "Oh, you're gonna get electrocuted." You know what? I'm not gonna try it. Even the check this out. This is pretty cool. Back when they made cool shit, Craftsman. Look at that. It even says, I don't know if you can see that. It even says Craftsman on the cord. How neat is that? But I think this is Craftsman Commercial Dual Motion Sander. Develops half horsepower, 100% ball bearing, 40 square inch capacity, 4,400 strokes per minute. Model number unknown. Can't see it, but I want to polish it. And I don't know what that says. It's a little bit messed up here, but you know what? It'd be fun to get all nice and shiny. Put it in the trophy shelf over there. Picked up this. I also picked up one of these gizmos, brass door thing. So, a one-legged dog. Why did I pick this up? I didn't pick this up because I want to put it on my shelf. I did not pick it up because I thought it was cool. I picked it up because my store door needs one of these. And when you see this at an antique store for under $1 or $2, and it's all brass, it's going on my store door. So yeah, these are the two things I picked up. I am not going to take this apart right now, but let me see if it works. Let me see if it works. Just for the hell of it. Unplug the telephone. Craftsman. See? Man. That is cool. Still works. I wonder what year this is. Can't see the model number. 315.22401. That's weird. Sears and Roebuck. I almost picked up a Sears. It was a pipe wrench. It said Sears, but I really can't stand pipe wrenches. I keep thinking like, I should have bought it. But you know what? I got enough junk. In fact, I have so much junk, I don't need any more junk. So yeah, like, subscribe, come back and tell me how you like my channel, and yay, thanks for watching. Toodles.